Hollywood is betting on China too. Time Warner's Warner Brothers studio is in talks to produce local language movies in China through a joint venture with a state-backed firm. Why are studios like Time Warner eager to expand their business in China, specifically with joint ventures?
Well, again, a tremendous market in terms of the movie audience globally. It is really a bonanza over there because you still have lots of theatrical movie going. It's still a novelty to have especially big Hollywood films. And I think for Time Warner, if you want to extend beyond just having, the U.S.-made blockbusters travel over there as exports, why not make local language films? It's one competitive advantage that a U.S. industry has is knowing how to make big budget, but also sort of big release type movies.
But certainly Hollywood films like Jurassic World and Furious 7 in English have set box office records there too. So why make that investment?
Well, probably because you don't want to just have that as one market to distribute these $200 million blockbuster action type movies. There's a sort of regular run of releases that you want to participate in, too. The smaller movies, the stuff that, on a week-to-week basis, lots of people in China are going to. You look at something like IMAX, which makes the screens and a lot of the other technology, and China is just a massive market for them because you do have a middle class that's now able and willing to just see more movies per year, and you don't really have any domestic growth. You have declining audiences in developed markets.
And they're trying to tap into that. All right. And there's been a flurry of deals in this space in China. Do you think it's too much too fast?
I don't think so based on the size of the investments. I mean, even with this ambitious move by Time Warner, by Warner Brothers, it's a $50 million investment. It's really not that big a number. It really is, I almost feel like it's planting a flag over there and saying, let's try to, interlace ourselves with the domestic industry in China and see, if it can bear some fruit.